this journey of discovery. I'm finding you, finding me.
Kalina Kenna Hotlelelo
All that I
Ethel Wagamafala, the most beautiful girl in the world, man's sister's wildest dream, and most importantly, God's favorite child. Ke kgotso le kae? Good morning, sir. We officially have a YouTube channel. Woo! I know this is quite an intro that people did not expect. I know what is expected is a proper sit down where I do it formally. I know. Okay, so as I was saying, I know that people would expect me to have a proper sit down where I do my intro for the first time, but unfortunately this intro would show how chaotic my life is, and that is what I want to give. I want to give my life as is, and not something that I will not be able to maintain. So 90% of my time, or rather 85% of my time, I'm in my car moving. 1, 2, 87% of my time chaotic. It's this, is that. I would plan things and they would be put out in that planned form, but only for me to do them in a different way. So buckle up, get used to the chaotic life in this first vlog, and let's enjoy the road. Let's enjoy this vlog, girl. Let's enjoy this life that I'm about to share with you, my life, and be happy and merry. Ke kgotso le kae? Oh, Dumelang, okay. Hello, Sabatu Dumel. I'm on my way to work. The time is almost 8 o'clock. I have the rubber bushes that I'm supposed to replace, but Kongoku, I don't have time to do it, and my little brother is also not around to do it, to take the V arms out so that I can go with them to work and have them pressed on. So can you frustrate I want to maybe so and another thing is that I talk a lot. I love even the YouTubers that I watch are YouTubers that talk a lot. So if you don't like talking a lot, I might not be your cup of tea. But I'm serving content that I like to see, you know. As I'm Benny, I'm going to work, and it's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful Monza. It's a beautiful morning, and it's a Tuesday. So whenever I would not play music in my car, I know what something within me is going, you know, or I am in a space where I want to, my feet are dribbling themselves, so I need to find balance, because I'm one person who, the first thing when I get into the car, I want to play music. But yesterday and today, I I haven't been feeling like it, which screams something is off. And I'm happy that I'm able to notice such things, because back then I would not. I'd just be like, oh, maybe I just don't feel like music, and not listen to myself and what myself is crying for. But now on Goku, I am aware, and whenever such times come, I'm able to say, oh, Kotelelo, you know, listen to thyself, give thyself time. And I do that. Oh, let me take this one. Another thing I wanted to say is that I'm used to driving with my leg most of the time. I'm used to driving with my leg most of the time, and now that I recently, like last week, I replaced my CV joints, right? Then now I have to put in the rubber bushes of my arms. Like it's flipping out of alignment. And a young stressor because I can't control it. And the longer I take to replace the rubber bushes, the longer it is going to take for me to go and take it for a wheel alignment. And the longer it will be taking from me having to drive the way I prefer driving, especially when I'm in my thoughts. Maybe I should just... Oh, but my little brother's coming back tomorrow. So maybe on... What day is that? On Thursday, I should just work and fix it. But the issue, the press machine that I have to use is at work. So if I don't go to work, it's another story. It's very tiny, man. I'm not saying anything. Real dead. Yeah. So I always tell people that thank you so much. This is yours. In the pan. This is mine. Thank you so much. Good, beautiful Saturday. The time is 38 after 12 and I am on my way to town. I am a passenger princess. Namkanje, my sister's passenger princess. Today, I am going to tailor her from now until around 5 o'clock where she will leave me, when she leaves me, to go be with her friend. And I'll just be alone. As per usual. But yeah, for now, spend time with me and my sister.
Hi, I am the sister that they are tailing up until 5. I wanted to bring out my real personality, but I was told to trim it, make it classy and clean. Because yeah, my real personality is classy, but not clean. Anyway, yes, enjoy.
Hi guys. And my sister says I look like I'm working at okay, I'm not gonna say the name of the
Funeral
but
parlor.
Funeral Palazzoko. And I don't know because I'm very blue.
Yeah, but the style of the scarf.
Okay, I'll go for it another way. I don't know, but
I don't think you're doing it today. It's not necessary.
but I'm scared of the makeup transferring to my shirt.
You do this scarf. You're not got t-shirt. I'm sure by now it's gone.
Okay, so I should actually remove this. But I'm gonna show you the outfit before I take off the scarf so that you see, and maybe you'll advise me better also for next time. But for now, let's go to the mall, do a little bit of shopping, spend some time with the big sister, and yeah, that's about it for now. Until later on when we separate and I go be with my friends and she goes be with her friends. Let's go. There's this American TikToker that I love. Every time when she does her content, but yeah, let's go.
Let's go. How are we going this way? We are going that way. Why are we going this way?
Okay, let's go. So I changed how my scarf was sitting and put it like this. I would like to believe it makes sense because I like it. But this part is the issue. And this. It's giving me what I wanted to give me. At the same time, it's not. What value? Look over.
And ba are abana tshelede
You ganyela kule.
Oh, can't get that side. That's what they said. Wonga mongwa wa sina lito. Guys, I am so tired. No, we are gonna chill. Ashiva guy.
Litoni. Ah, yeah, come to a little.
Muthu wa tano pia mukani.
Then, huh? Anyways, I'm with my chemical engineer, Khadi. She's a chemical engineer at night, though. At night, though. Do you want to be Everything. Oh God, I am looking for man corduroy pants. Okay. See what the Lord has done. I don't have a size. I saw this pants. Which one? People don't have a size. I don't have a size. I don't have a size. Oh God. Oh my word. I saw this Cosentin the other week and I'm here for them. What we've waited for has come to pass. Come.
And I'm Rahadi's princess.
the most beautiful girl in the world, my sister's wildest dream, and most importantly, God's favorite child. Poo, 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 poo. Welcome to our
YouTube channel.
Yay! High five to Visa. Good morning and welcome again to my vloggery vlog. I want to spend a few hours with you today. Well, there's not much to do. Actually, I want to spend the day with you, but there's not much to do. I'm just gonna go on a quarter date with my friend and then do my nails. I just don't know which one is going to be which first, but I'm gonna be with my bestie today. I'm having a date with my best friend. Yeah. Finally, we made it to work. The time is now 2 o'clock on the dot. And guess Anna, I made it to work. I made it. Mama, I made it. Happy belated. Anyway, we made it. Made it. Yeah. Stars in the sky. Yeah. Naku tapahay. Tapahay. Rakwat. Imtik sa dinya. So now my boys are waiting for their food. They are all hungry. My babies are now here to eat. They are ordering now and they're waiting for Big Mama to pay. This is me looking at them, choose what they want to eat so that I can pay. All I'm here for is just to pay. Mureki. Right, kids? Say yeah.
Yes, did.
They do, Mama.
When I did.
No, mommy. Anyoko jang? Beef. When anyoko jang? When I linking to pay was. Orderang pork for Kilani. Pork for Kilani. When I? Oh yeah, that's so cute of you. Yes. Yes. I will. Oh, and I should look at my YouTube channel, guys. Oh my god. I have my first subscriber. It's so cute, right? Yes. Oh my god. Buena. I could like subscribe. She fixed it. Yes. Oh my god. Here was subscriber. This is too long Sabrina. This is too long Sabrina. Bertie, Mike.
Yeah, those were saying we'll pay.
Those who are saying us. Dito tayo dungan lechon. Skill, papa. So we check out the server. Dito tayo kautan la or mal saldal. Asana type yun. Buy it. Cash. That was nice. Gee, it looks funny.
Through this journey of discovery, I'm finding you, finding me. Now that I have someone special, brings out the joy inside of me.